Hi, my name is Radley Fricker, and today we'll talk briefly about the subdivision of quarter note and eighth note rhythms in 4/4 time split up between the right and left hands on the hi-hat and snare drum, respectively. I would like to take a moment to say that if the concepts in this lesson are unfamiliar to you, please refer to our great book and DVD combo, Introduction to Drums, available on this website. First, I'll demonstrate the whole exercise, then we'll break it down into its essential rhythmic elements. Okay, what we're doing here is we're playing consistent and constant eighth notes on the hi-hat, which if you're counting the actual eighth notes is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then we're playing notes, quarter notes 2 and 4 on the snare drum, which are also going to be played by the hi-hat, but the hi-hat's already playing a consistent pattern. So that's what we said, that's what we mean when we say subdivide. So what we're going to do is play the right hand eighth note pattern with the 2 and 4 on the snare drum with a metronome, 4 clicks, and then we're in. All right, here we go. Okay, in this exercise, our right hand, which is playing the hi-hat, acts as an anchor because it plays consistent eighth notes. As with all exercises and musical examples, I strongly recommend the purchase and use of a metronome for solid timekeeping. First, let's just try playing the repeating eighth note pattern on the hi-hats while counting aloud beats 1, 2, 3, and 4 against the metronome track. To break down this exercise, we're just going to play the right hand on the hi-hat. So we're just playing nice, consistent, even eighth note strokes on the hi-hat. I'm playing with what's called the shoulder of the stick right here, not the tip of it, on the edge of the hi-hat to get a consistent sound. And we're going to play 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and on the hi-hat, which is our eighth note pattern, and we're going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, which are quarter notes. So the hi-hat is subdividing by dividing each of our vocal counts of 1, 2, 3, and 4 into units of 2, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So here we go with the metronome track. We're going to get 4 beats again to count us in. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we'll add the left hand on the snare drum on quarter note beats 2 and 4. Because each snare drum note aligns directly with a note of shorter rhythmic value on the hi-hat pattern, we say that the hi-hat rhythm subdivides the rhythm of the snare drum. Now let's put both rhythms together for a nice groove-oriented hand exercise. Understanding how one repeating rhythm anchors and subdivides another is essential to moving on to more complicated and fun grooves and patterns for the drum set. Keep checking the site as we're constantly adding new material. I'm Radley Fricker, and I'll see you next time.